Hey everyone, this is Sri and welcome to some Unbox. तो आज हमारे साथ है Corsair की तरफ से आने वाली एक RAM stick. So let's dig in. We have got a RAM stick from Amazon.in, so let's get it out from the wrap. Until I get this thing out, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I release a new video. Okay, this is a box जिसमें the Corsair Vengence RAM stick packed है. So without wasting time, let's get straight with the unboxing. Breaking off the seal and opening up the box, we find the RAM stick जो कि एक प्लास्टिक ट्रे में है. So let's get it out from the tray. तो इस RAM stick की बॉडी बनी है aluminium से. At first, let's talk about the key features of it. So ये एक 16GB DDR4 RAM stick है जिसकी working frequency है 3200 MHz. It has an aluminium heat spreader जिससे heat dissipation होने में मदद मिलती है. इसकी लो प्रोफाइल डिज़ाइन की वजह से ये किसी भी स्मॉलर कैबिनेट में फिट हो सकती है. ये रैम स्टिक सिर्फ पीसी के लिए बनी है एंड नॉट फॉर लैपटॉप्स. अगर आपको इसे मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी पर चलाना है तो यू नीड टू एनेबल द XMP प्रोफाइल सेटिंग्स इनटू द BIOS. The Corsair Vengence offers wide range of variants in the RAM, जिसमें 4, 8, 16 and 32GB memory variants with frequency of 2666 MHz, 3000 MHz, 3200 MHz and 3600 MHz. जिसमें से the most recommended है the dual configuration of 8GB 3200 MHz और उसके upper variants for most productive work and gaming. Now talking about the pricing, तो इस RAM stick की प्राइस रेंज करती है between 5000 to 6000 INR. So if you're interested in buying the RAM, the link of it along with its other models are given below in the description. So go check it out. इस RAM stick के साथ कोई RGB Lights नहीं है. So no fancy things. तो अगर आपकी प्रायोरिटी परफॉर्मेंस है and then the look, तो it would provide value to money. Okay, that's it for today guys. Hope you like the video. If you do so, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I release a new video. If you have any better suggestions, comment down below. Until then, stay techy.